Cough and hot in winter. Coughing and feeling hot in winter can happen due to various reasons. Coughing might be a result of dry air irritating your throat or exposure to cold air, which can cause irritation or inflammation. Feeling hot could be due to wearing heavy clothing indoors, being in environments with centralized heating, or having a fever from an illness like the flu or a cold. Staying hydrated, dressing appropriately for the weather, and taking precautions to prevent illness can help manage these symptoms. If symptoms persist or worsen, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and treatment.